Dave Bensman here with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. A lot of people ask me, what's the best computer to get? Well, I took a look at these Dell computers, and here are two of the cheapest computers that Dell offers. Now, it might be your instinct to go for the one on the left because it's $150 cheaper, but I wouldn't. I would spend $800. That is these days, because of AI pushing the equipment costs up, the cheapest amount of money you're going to get a decent computer for. It doesn't really matter what you're doing with the computer. You're going to want 16 gigabytes of memory. You're going to want a half a terabyte solid state drive, and you're going to want an Ultra 5 processor or better. You might be able to find these specs at a big box store for less money, but these are the specs you should be looking for. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PCPerfect for 10% off your first visit.